Tacoma will go into a new generation for the 2024 model year. We currently only recognize a few things for certain, such as the reality it'll ride on Toyota's brand new TNGA-F style, which is a body-on-frame system that likewise underpins the new Expanse as well as forthcoming Sequoia and also 4Runner. We also have an artist's picture that suggests what a new Tacoma TRD Pro could resemble. If the Tundra's new style is any type of sign, its little brother will have a likewise familiar grille, lighting aspects, and distinct fender bulges. We anticipate to read more about the new Taco next year and also think it may debut as a 2024 model. Toyota hasn't said just how much the 24 Tacoma will cost or what trim levels will certainly be provided. We expect a mild cost bump over the existing variation, which starts around $28,000. The schedule must likewise reflect the outgoing generation, extending from the entry-level SR trim to the prominent TRD sporting activity as well as off-road versions to the top-tier, off-road-ready TRD Pro. The Tacoma is entitled to a brand new powertrain. While it's currently the only midsize vehicle that's available with a manual transmission, we'd like it to remain that way. Its 6-speed automatic transmission is awkward as well as out of date compared with those in rivals such as the GMC Canyon and Nissan Frontier. The outward-bound Tacoma supplies an anemic 4-cylinder base engine and also an optional V6 that's much less powerful than every other V6-powered opponent, including the often derided Honda Ridgeline. We expect Toyota to package the new Tacoma with a turbocharged 4-cylinder, possibly the 2.4-liter from the Lexus NX 350 that makes 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. That engine coupled with an 8-speed automatic. Just like the new Tundra, the Tacoma may be supplied with a hybrid version of its V6 powertrain. The midsize vehicle will still make use of a body-on-frame construction, but we anticipate it to shed its back leaf spring suspension for a more contemporary coil spring setup that need to enhance both its flight as well as handling.